So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series 17th video on HTML. So audio tag. So audio tag and its source tag. So audio tag is nothing but in the previous version of HTML, before HTML5, creating and embedding an audio is biggest task. It's a very tough one, third-party plugins and everything. I need to use it to embed an audio. In HTML5, they introduce audio/audio. Specify the source, you are able to see the track, increase the volumes, play it, pass it, you can do whatever things you want. That is how your audio tag comes. So embedding an audio player by using a simple tag, audio tag. Let's move on to my website to see how it works. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment. So here is the audio tag. I'll take my source tag also here. Audio tag in the sense, obviously it is a content tag, so it should be a content, so it should be placed under the body. So I got the head, I got the body, under that I got my audio controls. So source is equal to src, a wave file, and you can specify the type. And another source is equal to whatever things you want, you can specify it here. You can see it here. You are able to see the playing windows on every options. Now let's move on here to see how it works. I got the audio controls. It can be a source, a wave file, or it can be a MP3 file. So since it depends on the browser. If this one is not playing, at least this one will play. Somehow I want the audio should be played. You can see it here. The player is ready. You can increase the volume and everything. You can play and pass the audio. And you can go to try it window to try it out here. Okay, you can try it out here using this try it window also. And apart from that, you got the source tag which will specify what is the source. From where? So source indicates this particular wave file is available in the website itself. And if it is from the external path also, you can specify that. You can specify the external link also. And what are the types it's specifying, the attributes and everything, and the browser supporting, everything is given here. Just go and watch in my website and enjoy this one by using this try it window. Check it the output.